how do you turn your activity on LinkedIn into leads and sales? So I want to give you a very simple process that you can start putting into action today. Number one, show up on LinkedIn. You can have the best profile in the world, but if you are not actively posting on LinkedIn and engaging with other people's content, nobody is going to come knocking on your door. So number one is show up. Number two, be really clear how you work with people. You can share content about your holidays, about your favorite coffee shops, but if we don't know how you actually work with clients, number one, we won't sign up to work with you, and number two, we won't refer anybody else to work with you either. So make sure that people understand what it is that you do by the content you share. And number three, connect with people. Build a network of value. Connecting with people, if you do not have a premium account, you can send 5 connection requests with messages per month at the moment, which is not great LinkedIn. But make the most of this. Send people connection requests. When they accept your connection request, then you can send them a message. And if you have a webinar coming up, for example, you could say, would you like to join the webinar that I'm hosting this month? Or if they are interested in what you're doing, you could say, well, I have a free guide on how to use LinkedIn for business. Would you like me to send you a copy? And that is how you start to build those connections and start having conversations that will lead to leads and sales. So number one, show up. Number two, your network, understand what it is that you do. Number three, connecting with people and inviting them to learn more about your products and services by sending them either free resources through Messenger or inviting them to a webinar you're hosting where they can learn more about how you can help them to win business in whatever it is that they do.